Alright guys, my mission is to go on Mars with Elon Musk, and that's why for the next 10 years I'm going to study very hard. I'm not a well-educated person, but if I want to survive on Mars, I have to study a lot. Otherwise, every single thing on Mars is trying to kill you. The radiation, gravity, physics, chemistry, biology, every single thing is trying to kill you. So if you want to survive, you have to read a lot. And I'm studying about Mars. This is 225 million kilometers away, and it will take you 6 to 7 months to reach Mars, okay? And you have to wait for 26 months when the Earth and the Mars are the closest to save the fuel. And all of this stuff I'm reading right now, that Mars has less than 1% of Earth atmosphere, and there's no oxygen, so you have to always wear the suit, space suit. And Mars has 38% of the gravity and things like that. And you cannot talk to somebody from Mars to Earth because the signal will take 22 minutes to go from one side. So if I send you a text message, to get your reply I have to wait for 44 minutes. All of this stuff I'm reading, so it's very difficult to be honest, because I'm not a well-educated person, and I work as a labor in the vegetable market, and that's why studying all of this is very difficult for me. I want to sleep, man. I just want to sleep right now because it's so difficult to study, man. I study from ChatGPT, from YouTube, and I write all of this down right here. It's like I want to sleep right now. I really want to sleep, but I cannot sleep. Ah! I'm struggling to study, man. It's just so difficult to study. Look at all of the subjects. Ah, man, you need a lot of knowledge to survive on Mars. The rocket science, the things like that, okay? And one more thing is very interesting, that Mars has the largest dust storm in the solar system. So the dust storm or Mars is going to cover the entire planet, that much big storms. And that happens usually around 3 to 4 Mars years. It's crazy to study all of this. And you'll see Mars is a red planet, and you see it's very hot, but Mars is not hot. It is cold. The average temperature on Mars is 60 degrees Celsius, and in the winter poles it tops around 125 degrees Celsius. Minus, okay, minus. I'm talking about minus. So it's so difficult. Surviving on Mars is going to be a very difficult challenge, and Elon Musk is trying to make humans multi-planetary species. And my mission is to go on Mars to save humanity as well. So that's why I had to study all of these things, physics, chemistry, because all of these subjects are very important. Because humans can lie, history can lie, a lot of subjects can lie, but physics cannot lie, numbers cannot lie. So if you want to survive on Mars, you have to rely on numbers, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do.